Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted, Unfiltered. Today, we're going to be reviewing another one of Agelocer's watches. They've been very gracious at the channel, and actually, they're very forgiving as well because I still owe them a video. And here I am reviewing another watch from them. But yeah, hopefully, I'll catch up. You guys know I'm busy. That's the usual excuse, right? Okay, so let's go straight into the unboxing. We know the things that Agelocers have. We've seen my other videos. You should have seen what Agelocers packing on their boxes. And this one is a little bit more special. Yes, here we are. I think it's the first tourbillon in the channel that we're going to be reviewing. And this one, I think, is a little bit more unique and a little bit more special than your typical Chinese tourbillon watches. And Agelocer's been doing a great job, including the dreaded plastic. How do they get this out? Let me see. There you are. Okay, fine. Right. Oh, in under 2 minutes, we're able to show you the watch, and that is it. This is the Manta tourbillon from Agelocer, and I'm going to do some close-ups later. But look at that finishing. That finishing is quite nice. Hey, what's that? I think that's some plastic there. Okay, you can see some really gorgeous case finishing. That chamfer is gorgeous, and that is a very unique take there. You could see a little bit of a inlaid line there to delineate the lugs a little bit. It makes it a little bit thinner than it's supposed to be because of that line. That leads to your eye line and provides direction, and that's a pretty cool trick. That's a pretty neat trick right there. And here, look at the back. Now, the back is just amazing. Very nice detail. I am not aware of this movement. I know that many Chinese watches are manufacturing these affordable tourbillons, affordable skeleton movements, but I have never seen this skeleton movement from Agelocer, and they're really good when it comes to texturing their watches, as you can see there. Now let's move the hands a little bit. You could see the Agelocer text there. That's very nicely reliefed on the dial. You see the twin barrel setup there, and according to the website, it's actually 60 hours of power reserve that you're packing in this watch. Very, very gorgeous. And of course, the main draw of this thing is the Free-Sprung tourbillon. Yes, you heard it there. You heard it correct. It's a Free-Sprung tourbillon. Don't ask me to explain that because I don't think I can explain it on the fly for you. But I'm probably going to discuss that a little bit more with our look at that, how it comes alive. That is beautiful. And as you can see, there's no top mount, so that means this is a flying tourbillon also. Very nice touch there. You can see the manta ray structure, dual manta ray structure, as you can see, as the main top of the cage. Very nice. Some really gorgeous rehaut work there. Agelocer has been really good when it comes to that. The previous one, the moon phase that I reviewed, that also had that gorgeous rehaut work. And notice there, it's cut off at the 9 o'clock position just to give more attention to that tourbillon. And at the back, of course, you can see it's signed, it's well decorated, also plated as well. Now, let's go through some of the specs briefly. So according to the specs here, it's a 40mm case with a 47mm lug-to-lug distance. It's pretty light for only 65 grams, and of course that sports dual sapphire crystal, sapphire at the back, sapphire at the front. It's just 9.45 millimeters. That's pretty thin. Of course, you can expect 100 meters of water resistance on this one because, of course, it's not for diving, guys. If you dive with this, I don't think that you're right in the head and you've drunken a little bit more rum than you're supposed to. Now, let's wear it on the wrist. Let's remove our value reduce in there. Product placement. Let's see. There's. It typically wears nice because a 40 is pretty good on my wrist. I prefer 39, of course, but 40 is not that bad. Let's zoom out a little bit there. There you go. Wow. Okay, it's a little bit too big for my wrist because I have smaller wrist, but this should be fine with most people. But it looks really like an oversized dress watch, if you ask me. 38 or maybe a 37 would have been nice. I think you could really cram in that movement into a 37. Maybe, just maybe. But there's enough realty space there. Maybe at the very least 39 would have been nicer. But gorgeous finishing. Also the curved lugs. The strap. We cannot emphasize the strap. Guys, the strap is really well done. I was surprised with this also in the first Agelocer that I reviewed. The strap is really well made. It seems like it's a very supple rubber lining with this suede and very finely textured top. It's really nice. Also the sign buckle there. And this one, guys, this is a Free-Sprung Tourbillon that's selling right now for just $1,400. I couldn't imagine the day would come that we would see a Tourbillon sell for under $2,000, and that's because of the special discounts that they're going to give. And also, look at that. That's pretty gorgeous. That's pretty gorgeous. You cannot deny the beauty of that really voluminous skeletonized work. Skeleton work there. Well, it's not really much of a removing material as most skeleton work watches would do. This is really engineered. As you can see, all of the bridges are really elevated there, and of course that's for security's sake, especially for those twin barrel power reserve structure there. And look at how thick those bridges there on the side. Really gorgeous work. I'm really amazed with Agelocer and what they're offering, and that's why there's so many fans really gravitating towards this brand. And mind you, also, this is a great improvement compared to their previous Tourbillon line, Tourbillon collection. And there's much more elegance here. And the accuracy, they say, is actually much improved. So, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Agelocer Manta Free-Sprung Tourbillon. And yeah, the good comments and interesting comments will make it into the actual video review. Agelocer, I still owe you one more video. I promise you it's going to come out, but I think this one is a winner as well. Full recommend. Guys, you cannot miss this deal. $1,500. Just that's as of filming. As of this filming, it's just $1,499. So don't miss the opportunity to own a Tourbillon, and a good one at that. It's not just a white label or slapped on rebranded Tourbillon that you get from China. This is coming from Agelocer. They pretty much designed this, not from scratch, but they designed this in-house in their own studio. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think about the Agelocer Free-Sprung Balanced Manta Tourbillon watch. Mouthful, but yes, a lot of savings as well.